a no-brainer. You need to improve your website visibility. You need to create content. But, and there's a big but, how are you going to find content ideas fast? And content ideas that are actually relevant to your audience and will help them come to your website. It is a real challenge. Even for me, I write content all the time, and half the time I'm staring at a blank page thinking, what am I going to write, right? So there is one tool though that I use which helps me a lot, and that is in Semrush. So you may know that I'm a big fan of Semrush. I have a lot of content about them. I use it regularly. Like at one time I have 10 tabs open of Semrush. And there is one feature that I use besides the keyword magic tool, of course. There's another feature that helps me generate 1,000 content ideas relevant for my audience really, really fast. So let's dive into it. So the specific feature of Semrush that will give you loads of content ideas super fast is this tool, which is a topic research tool. Now, for this, you need the Semrush Guru subscription. So if you don't have that, then there is a link in the description for a 14-day trial, which is my affiliate link, which you can sign up for and get the Guru features absolutely free for 14 days. The normal Semrush, so if you click here and you do start for free, then you will get a trial for 7 days. But if you click on this description, you get it for 14 days to try it out. Now, let's dive into it. Let's see a small business that needs to find a lot of content ideas. So in this case, it is a business that sells indoor plants. It has indoor plants, terrariums, gift card, etc. These are all the products. But now let's say it wants to build brand authority and content authority on the topic of indoor plants and plant care. So let's say we are looking for content ideas on plant care. So once you have signed up for the Guru subscription, remember you need to enter your credit card details, otherwise you don't get the trial, and you can always cancel later. So once you have that, you dive into it and you go to topic research and you put in your topic, let's say plant care. I already put that in here, so I'm just going to see the view content ideas, because this tool automatically generates content ideas based on the seed keyword that you put in or the topic that you put in. And there you go. In like a couple of seconds, Semrush has found a ton of subtopics and content ideas that relate to your seed keyword and your brand pillar. So over here, there are 4 ways that the data is presented. You have cards, explorer, overview, and mind map. So the cards is the easiest way to glance through the topics and see which ones you want to focus on. So you have planter app, tips, beginners, products, outdoor, services, kit, etc. Under each, there are headlines and there are blog posts that relate to this kind of content idea. If you show more, then you can see here all the details, like these are the headlines and these are the questions that these topics are answering. Related searches also over here. You can see more searches. Now let's say you want to see plant care outdoor, for example. To care for your garden, gardening for beginners, outdoor plants, garden plant care, what do you do, how do I care for an aloe vera plant outdoor? So these are all the questions that your audience is looking for. These blog posts are answering, and these can give you a ton of content ideas to target for your website. Now let's see Explorer. What it does is it takes the same topics and then it gives you all the links and all the description and all the details over there, like the number of shares, for example, guide to basic care of houseplants, for example, has 1,004 shares. What you can do is then click on this and add to your favorites, and later you can download that list. 24 best indoor plants to brighten up every room. This is the number of shares, so obviously this is a very popular topic. You can also sort it by shares, and you see the most popular topics, the backlinks they have, the engagements they have gotten. Now we go to the overview section, and it shows you here by backlinks, the interesting questions, and also there's one metric which is topic efficiency. So it tells you how much sense it makes for you to target that topic. This is trending, and you can also click on top. Okay. And the last view it shows you is the mind map. So this is kind of like answer the public if you've used the tool. So you see here, it's a template, app free, headlines, questions in what, how, why, can, and the most important keywords. So this is an easy, quick tool to find like a zillion topic and content ideas. And there you go. That was the tool that helps me find loads of content ideas super quickly. It is in the Semrush group plan again, remember. So if you want a 14-day free trial, the link is in the description. The topic research tool is a part of the whole content marketing toolkit, and I use the other ones on and off. The writing assistant, not so much. The SEO content template is good. I will make a separate video on that. But the most important tool for me in the content marketing toolkit is definitely the topic research toolkit. Combined with the keyword magic tool, it's guaranteed to get you tons of content ideas really, really quickly. Hope this video helped you, and stay tuned for more.